Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some canned salmon and rice in the Instant Pot. I'm going to use the rice setting in my Instant Pot for this, but you can do this on the stove top in a pan as well. So I have 2 cups of brown rice here that I'm going to dump in there. You use white rice if you'd rather, just whatever you like. And then I'll add 2 cups of water as well. That's 1 cup. Get one more filled up here. Alright, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. That's what we got there. I cut up 1 small onion, so I'm going to add that. If you don't like onions, you can leave that out. It's up to you. I always try to do just basic things, and you can kind of make them how you like. Also, I have a can of Alaskan sockeye salmon. So the only thing is that is salmon and salt and water. So just going to dump it in water and all, give it a little bit more flavor, and then a little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, as sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Sprinkle a little bit of that in there. I'm not going to add any salt because when it's done, I'm going to mix in some of this Buffalo Mayonnaise. Basically, it's just mayonnaise, and it has some hot sauce and cayenne pepper in it. So if you don't have this, you could just kind of make your own. Just add some mayonnaise and you know, hot sauce and cayenne pepper, or you could use you know, any other type of sauce that you like. And I'm going to mix this up a little bit. Now we'll put this in the pot and get the lid on. I'm going to use the rice setting for this. Now it says 12 minutes, but it's automatic, so it actually takes longer than that. By the time it heats up, goes through the cycle, and shuts off, it'll shut off automatically when it's done. So basically all I have to do is start it, and then I don't have to worry about it. It'll just shut off by itself when it's done. Alright, let's see how this looks. The pot shut off, and the pressure already released on its own, so let's take a look at it. Looks pretty good to me. Stir it up a little bit. I'm going to grab a bowl, and we'll add some of that Buffalo Mayonnaise to it. This is a little bit bland just like that, so I'm going to stir in a little bit of this Buffalo Mayo. That'll give it some flavor here. But you could use other types of sauce. You know, soy sauce, hot sauce, teriyaki sauce, just any type of sauce that you like to give it some more flavor. Alright, let's try this out. Put a little green onion on top just to give it a little bit of color. Let's try a bite. That turned out good. Good flavor with that Buffalo Mayonnaise in there. I'll let Annie try a little bit of out of the pot without the spicy mayonnaise in it. There you go, Annie. What do you think? Well, looks like she likes it. Yep, guess it's Annie approved. Well, that one's pretty simple. I'll write the ingredients in the description. And like I said, if you don't have an Instant Pot, you could do that on the stove top, or probably even in the cast iron pan in the toaster oven. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.